Here we can see inverse of square matrix. That is, inverse is AB equal to BA, which is I. I is the identity matrix. A inverse, the formula is adjoint A by mod A. It is denoted by A inverse. Adjoint A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. That is, adjoint A equal to cofactors. T is a transpose. Transpose means interchanging rows and column. And one more important concept is A inverse exists if and only if mod A is not equal to 0. That matrix A is non-singular. If singular means mod A equal to 0. For example, 1 into 9, 9, 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. That is, A is singular. If mod A is not equal to 0, it is non-singular. This is a concept of inverse of square matrix. Now we can see with an example. Find inverse of B. 3, 5, 5, 12. What is formula? B inverse equal to adjoint B by mod B. In the question I mentioned B, so I am using B inverse. So mod B equal to 3 into 12, 36 minus 25. So 36 minus 25 is 11, which is not equal to 0. It is non-singular. We can proceed. Cofactor of 3. If you take 3, you have to hide this column and this row. 12 will be the 12. 1 means first row, first column. Minus 1, first row, first column. So minus into minus plus. So plus 1 into 12 is 12. Cofactor of B. Cofactor of B means you have to hide this row and this column. You will be getting 5 alone. So minus 1. First row, second column. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus. So minus into 5 is minus 5. Cofactor of 5. When you take this one, hide this column and this row, you will be getting 5. So 5. This is second row, first column. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Again it is an odd number. So minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Cofactor of 12. If you want to take this one, hide this column and this row, you will be getting 3. And this is second row, second column. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is an even number, so positive. So plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. Now cofactor of B is 12 minus 5 minus 5, 3, right. Now we have to find adjoint B. Adjoint B means is a cofactor of B transpose. We have to find the transpose. Transpose means interchanging rows and column. Now take rows. 12 minus 5 should become the first column. Minus 5, 3 comes the second column. Minus 5, 3. Now substitute in a formula. B inverse equal to adjoint B by mod B. Adjoint B is 12 minus 5 minus 5, 3 divided by 11. Mod B is 12. Already we have found, which is non-singular. So substitute 12 by 11 minus 5 by 11 minus 5 by 11, 3 by 11. This is a method of finding inverse of B. First you have to write the formula B inverse adjoint B by mod B. You have to find its determinant value. 3 12s are 36, 5 5s are 25. You will be getting 11, which is not equal to 0. It is a non-singular. Find out the cofactor. Cofactor of 3 is, this is first row, first column. So 1 1, it is 2. So minus into minus plus, this is 12. If you take this one, hide this column and this row, you will be getting 12. That only I mentioned here. Similarly for 5, hide this column and this row, you will be getting 5. For this 5, hide this column and this row, 5 will be getting. Again 5 12, hide this column and this row, you will be getting 3. Substitute in this cofactor B, find transpose, interchanging rows and column. Substitute in the formula, you get this answer. I hope you understood, friends. If you have any doubt, raise your question in comment box. Thank you for watching my